This is still part of the leaky condo scenario. I'm pointing to an area of the stucco where you can see it's been blackened, and even to the extent where there is moss growing on the stucco on the outside. The moss is because there's extensive water that's gotten in behind the wall, and the sign, the tall tale sign that there is this kind of thing going on is the fact that it's black. And what we're doing over here is we're removing stucco from the wall. In fact, this whole wall is going to be removed and rebuilt using a proper rain screen. This is the southeast part of the house, and it's getting exposed to the wind and the rain through the winter months. So it is gets a particularly hard beating on this particular side. So we're taking off all the stucco and then rebuilding this side of the house, the exterior of the house, so that it's going to stand up for the next 50, 100 years.